This is a lateral lunge using a weight. I'm using a dumbbell, but you can use a kettlebell too, that works well. I'm going to demonstrate two different variations with this. We're going to start with keeping it at chest height, so with two hands. We're going to take a nice wide stance to the side, making sure that we're shifting our hips back. Ideally, we want to get our elbow touching our knee area, and then push yourself back up. You can either put that foot down, or if you want to challenge your balance a little bit more, stand on one foot, and then repeat that sideways lunge, and then back together, sideways lunge, back together. With this lunge, try to keep everything square, so shoulders are forward, hips are forward, try not to deviate this way. So again, I'll do that a couple more times on this side, and make sure you do equal sets and reps on each side. So that's variation one. Another way you can do this is holding on to the weight with one hand. If it's a lighter weight, I would say 20 pounds and less, then it's okay to do the single-handed variation. Here, and this is more advanced than the one I just demonstrated, this one requires you to work harder to keep everything square, versus here it's easier to keep things square. So just make sure that your shoulders are still facing forward, hips are forward, and again I'm shifting my hips back, so from the side it'll look like this. I'm going to go back to this variation. See, my hips are shifted back as opposed to hips forward. That just puts more workload on the knee than necessary. So again, make sure hips are back as you do this.